Okay folks, it's that time to do something with my RecPro down here at the bottom. I had 2 or 3 people lined up that said, oh, I'm gonna put a little strip of wood there with Velcro, and someone else said, oh, I'm gonna fix you a piece of cloth that you can attach there. But hey, look at this. I'm gonna try something here. I just went out and got some duct tape. So check out this duct tape. Kind of at a loss of which one of these to try. But I figure worst case, what the heck, I'll just take the duct tape off. But there's the wood grain. And this is kind of a burlap looking thing. So the question is, which one do I want to try to do? All right, stay tuned and you'll see how this turns out. Rod's Random Reviews. I'm in my 2016 V Winnebago View, and I put the RecPros in, and I still got that silver strip there from the slide out just shining right at me when I walk in. All right, okay, as you can see, we decided to go with the wood grain. Not sure I like that either, but it could be better than the silver. Anyway, I'm gonna leave it there for a while until I come up with a better solution. Thanks for watching Rod's Random Reviews. Appreciate it if you would subscribe. You might see something you can use one of these days. Bye.